Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to install Edison Mail on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Edison Mail and tap the search on your keyboard. When you see the Edison Mail app in the search results, tap the blue Get button to start downloading. Confirm the download with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password if asked. The app will begin to install. After the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Select your email provider, Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, etc., or tap Other email for custom providers. Now, sign up and enter your email and password. Then tap Next to sign in. Once you sign in, you'll see your email. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Edison Mail on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more new tech tips.